Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you how you can log in into the online banking account of Tesco Bank. Now for that, first of all, open a new browser and open a new tab. And on the search bar, you type in tescobank.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of the bank. Once you're at the web page, you need to click on the login option on the top right corner over there. Now here for login, you need to provide the user ID of yours and then you need to click on login. But if you have forgotten your user ID, you can click on the option given over here, I've forgotten. You click upon that. I'm just going to show you in another piece for how you can recover your password. Now here you type in the first name, your surname, your postcode, date of birth and then click on next. With this, you will be moved forward to the another piece for recovering your password. This is how you can easily log in into your account and you can also recover it very easily. You just need to follow the bank instruction. Hope this video was useful on how you can log in into the online banking account of Tesco. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.